In this era of working from home, moms and dads have had to juggle being on the job and looking after their children. By outfitting the work desk with a children's study area on one side and play area on the other, parents can earn a living while their children play or study nearby, allowing constant attention to the children's safety. Mount a foldable desk to one side of the height-adjustable desk. When folded up, the foldable desk becomes a blackboard capable of being reused multiple times, allowing children to write and draw. Open it up and it becomes a desk which children can use to read and write. A drawing paper roll dispenser can be affixed above the foldable desk. By raising the height-adjustable desk, more paper can be pulled down. With the mounted desk folded up, the drawing paper can be hung over the blackboard for drawing, or it can be laid flat with the desk let down. What's more, why not first practice on the blackboard, then make the final draft on the drawing paper? The other side of the height-adjustable desk can be outfitted with a children's play area. Mount a building brick base plate to the desk and attach a container for the building bricks under the plate. This way, children can conveniently pick up the bricks and immediately start building. A perforated hardboard can be installed on the height-adjustable desk. Place school supplies and toys on it for ease of access and to save space.